Deepika from School of Electronics and Electrical Engineering. We are going to discuss the topic qubits versus bits, why quantum computers are faster. In the 21st century, computers have become an essential part of our life, from checking emails to streaming movies, from scientific simulation to artificial intelligence. Computers play a crucial role in shaping the modern world. Computers help to solve problems and process the data. Classical computers fail to handle the complex problems, where the quantum computer come into the picture. Generally, there are two types of computers, a classical computer as well as quantum computers. Let's compare how they work. Bit is the basic unit of classical computer. It can be 0 or 1. Example, like a light switch on or off. Qubit is the basic unit of quantum computer. It can be 0, 1 or both. This is called superposition. Is a fundamental principle of quantum mechanics. For example, like spinning a coin, head, tail or both. Important property of qubits. First property is superposition. A qubit in superposition can handle both multiple possible values simultaneously. Real life example, password cracking. In classical computer, you can try a password at one time, but in quantum computer, tries a password million number of times. Another important property of qubit is entanglement. When two qubits are entangled, the state of one qubit is directly related to the other qubit. Bit versus qubits comparison. The first comparison is the basic states of classical computer is 0 or 1, but the basic states in quantum computer is 0, 1 or both. Processing methods in classical computer is one state at a time. Processing method is in quantum computing is many states simultaneously. Third point is interconnections. Interconnection in classical computer are not linked. Interconnection in quantum computer can be entangled. Computing power in classical computer are linear with more bits, but computing power in qubits are exponential with more bits. Power solving. Power solving in classical computer are solve a simple type of problem. Problem solving in quantum computers are used to handle complex problems. Why are quantum computers faster? Parallelism through superposition. Qubit can process multiple input at once. In classical system with 3 bits, there are 8 possible combinations, but it can only process one combination at a time. Whereas in quantum computer, a quantum system with 3 bits represent all 8 combinations at once. Problem solving with entanglement. Entanglement allows qubits to work together in a coordinated way. Third property is quantum interference. So quantum algorithm can interference to amplify a secret answer and cancel out the wrong ones. So there are many applications of the quantum computer. The first application is medicine and drug discovery. Second application is cryptography and cybersecurity. The third application is artificial intelligence. You can use a quantum computer in machine learning, deep learning, financial modeling, weather forecasting, satellite communication, remote sensing. Nowadays, data are increasing day by day. Complex problems are increasing day by day. So most of the research is going on a quantum computer, quantum cybersecurity and quantum artificial intelligence. Thank you. Think big, dream big, transforming education, transforming India.